Hello, how to know if someone else is using WhatsApp? Okay, you have to go to your WhatsApp here, then you click on these three dots at the top, right? Then you click on LinkedIn devices, okay? So if your LinkedIn devices show that there are other browsers which are connected to your WhatsApp, it means those are extra people. So currently mine is showing I'm logged on Google Chrome. It even shows me the last time I was active on WhatsApp using that browser was today. That is something like 1 hour ago. So if you check here under LinkedIn devices and you see other devices are here logged in, it means someone tapped into your WhatsApp and is kind of reading and listening to everything you are receiving. Okay, so what you do, if you are not sure, if you're not the person who is logged in, you just click on there, then you click on logout. If you don't know that this is you, okay, if it's you, it's fine. But if you're not aware that if you're not aware of this browser, that you logged in another browser, you just click on it, then you log out. But if it's you, it's fine. So for me, it's okay. So that's how you can know if someone else is using your WhatsApp or checking um, what you're doing on WhatsApp. Okay. So thank you.
I'll be original woman.